everyone, my name is Laura Sepulveda, and in this opportunity I will teach you how to use a great tool to find resources and community services locally available to you. This tool is called Arizona 211. It is a private nonprofit organization that created a website and a hotline available 24/7 every day of the year for resources ranging from housing to transportation, food, renters assistance, health services, etc. What I find mostly interesting about this resource is that besides linking people and families to some vital community services, the organization also partners with communities to identify gaps and provide solutions through data. So, the website that I'm about to show you is a centralized place for all of these resources and critical services that can improve and, in some cases, even save lives. So, it's a great tool to know, and I hope you enjoy it. So the first thing we're going to do is go on Google and type on the search bar 211arizona.org. Here it takes us to the home page, and there are many different ways to find the resources that you need, and I'm going to show you one by one. First, using the search tool, we see that we have different suggested searches, like I need food, I need to apply for food stamps, etc. And we also have suggested categories, but we're gonna look more into categories later. For now, let me try something new. I'm going to type in I need to find a job. I'm also going to add the location, so I'm going to add downtown Phoenix's zip code, which is 85004, and I'm going to click on Get Help. This may take a few seconds. So here we see all of the organizations and resources that 211 has on its system, and it automatically lists them by best match, but you can also list them alphabetically if you want to. So here we see a list of all of the organizations organized by best match, and we also see that each one has a description and a list of the services that they offer. We also see the address and phone number on the side. If we scroll down to the bottom, we see an option to print, and we could choose to print with full details. So let's say I'm interested in these 3 different resources. So I can go down to the bottom and click on print, but first I want to choose whether I want just basic information or full details, and then I click on print, and it directly takes me to a page where I can choose to print all of this information. So this is how the print page would look like, and as you see, it has full details and even a list of related resources. So to print, I could click on this button, or just simply click on the 3 dots on Google, go to print, and then from there you already know how it goes. Alright, so now we're going to look into how to find services through a list of categories. So just scrolling a little bit down past the search tool, we find this list of categories that range from food, housing and shelter, healthcare, income and expenses, rent and utility assistance, etc. So let's say in this case you're trying to find a rabies vaccine for your pet. In that case, we're going to go to pets and animals, then we're going to go to pet services, and we're going to see a list of services. In this case, I'm going to go into veterinary care and vaccinations and click on learn more. And there we find a list of resources available near us. Very well, now I'm going to teach you how to search services by county. This can be really helpful because you will find that most services are located in Maricopa County. So if you live in a different county, it might be easier for you to search using this tool. So let's say you live in Pima County, and we're going to pretend that you need some rent and utility assistance. So we click there and we select rental assistance, and we see these available resources. In this case, I'm going to go to rent payment assistance, and I'm going to click on learn more as always. And there we have it. These are services located in Pima County. We see that the 2 first ones are located in Phoenix, but although they're based in Phoenix, they appear in our search because they also offer services in Tucson. And we can see that the rest of the organizations listed are based in Tucson, which is in Pima County.
Finally, if you still can't find the resources you're looking for, I'm going to teach you how to use the Advanced Search tool. First, click on Advanced Search on this ribbon, and we're redirected to this page where we can begin searching for resources using one of the keyword search options. So let's say you need transportation for a non-emergency medical event, like a doctor's appointment. So on all of these words, I can type health and transportation. Just make sure to put your keywords in quotes to ensure an exact match. Once you put in your keywords, you can then select the physical location or area served filters. But these two filters cannot be combined, so just make sure that you choose one or the other. In my case, I'm going to add a physical location filter, so I'm going to type in the zip code and city. You can also add the county, but just make sure not to fill out all 3 fields, because when you get too specific, it can get a little finicky. Finally, do not select a target population and click on search. And here we are redirected to our resource directory.
Remember, you can also dial 211 on your phone to be connected with a live operator who can provide you with information and refer you to the services you need. The line is open at all times in English and Spanish, and assistance is also available in other languages through real-time interpreter services. I hope you found this tool useful. This website can come in really handy in times of need, so if you know about anyone who might benefit from this resource, make sure to let them know about it.